Good morning, happy St. Patrick's Day. Right, so it's just gone 0600 bells in the morning. I've just finished a night shift, so I look like death warmed up. I need to get something into me before I get home for bed, so I'm going to treat you to a traditional Belfast breakfast commonly known as an Ulster fry. Let's get on it. So growing up in 1980s, 1990s Belfast, it was constantly in the news, as well as a lot of other things that were going on at the time, that Northern Ireland had the highest rate of heart disease in the UK. Now, there are those that would say it was something to do with the stress of the euphemistically titled Troubles. However, the real reason was our love of everything fried. So in the mornings, a lot of people would start their day with a full Ulster fry, followed by their dinner, a fish supper. We love fried stuff, which didn't sit too well with our old arteries. So what separates the Ulster fry from the full English? Well, it's to do with the bread really. You got soda bread, potato bread and pancakes. Although some people will claim that pancakes have no place on the plate. However, I used to have them growing up, so we'll have them today. So aside from the bread and actually the black and white pudding, if you like that sort of thing, the rest of the Ulster fry is pretty much the same as what you would get anywhere else. So sausages, bacon, tomato, you got beans if you like, I suppose, mushrooms. Before anyone casts any judgment, I am actually cooking for two. I promised I would take a plate over to my mate who is actually just taken over from me at work. So, white pudding. The weird thing was I could get every other ingredient in my local supermarket, but white pudding, couldn't find it anywhere. I had to order it online, which arrived the next day. Don't ask me what it's made out of. I know black pudding is oatmeal and blood, and I don't know what white pudding's made out of. There we have it, traditional Ulster fry cooked by an Irishman in the Essex Woodland. Does life get any better? Oh, I've been looking forward to this all night. And out of everything, right, I reckon, and I have tried this before, if you want to make it healthier and grill everything, you can basically grill everything, but titty bread just is not the same. It's the only thing on the plate, I reckon, that you have to fry. Oh, right, I'm definitely ready for bed now. That was absolutely delicious, totally needed as well. Thank you so much for joining me again for another video. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast. Remember, you can get all these stuff for this breakfast in any of the shops locally, so have yourself a go, treat yourself to an Ulster fry, you won't regret it. So I'm going to sign off here and I'll get back to you soon. Whatever you're doing, you have a great day and have a fantastic St. Patrick's Day. Have one for me. Sláinte.